But chat, there's drama. When we host these tournaments, we allow anyone to watch party them. Like, you can watch party whatever tournaments you want. So there was a tournament announced in the other version of the app, and straight away I joined in. I was like, huh. Like, the viewership for it was a little low, and I was like, why are more people not watching this tournament? Why is there only 900 people watching this? And it turns out they weren't allowed to stream or watch party it themselves. They were not allowed to watch party this tournament themselves. Couldn't believe it.
Kahapon, nag-watch party si Cent Gaming sa tournament na sobrang taas ng delay. Guess what? Pagkatapos ng tournament, gumawa ng bagong rules. Bawal mag-watch party kung affiliated ka sa mga nagtuturna, kaklan ka sa mga nagtuturna, pwede kayong mabawasan ng points at ma-disqualify. Gumawa sila ng rules sa ganun. So, ang nangyari, kailangan mo munang lumuhod o magpaalam sa kanila na pwede po ba kami mag-watch party. What the